Prime Time.
And joining me tonight, Gaurav Goyal, state spokesperson of the BJP from Chandigarh, Kapil Madan, lawyer and Congress supporter. But my first question goes to Atishi, MLA and national spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. And Atishi, congratulations to your party. Chandigarh municipal polls. Now, many people would wonder why we are debating Chandigarh municipal polls on a national debate on the News Hour. But do you see, the reason we are debating this is because elections are around the corner. Punjab is an important state. And do you see the results of the Chandigarh municipal polls as a precursor to the elections in Punjab early next year?
Absolutely, Navika. I think it's very clear that Chandigarh, basically being the capital both of Haryana and of Punjab, closely linked to the politics of Punjab, really shows the way of what the direction of politics in Punjab is going to be. And I think that the results of Chandigarh are a very clear sounding response to all those in Punjab politics who kept on saying that Aam Aadmi Party is a Delhi party. Aam Aadmi Party is a Delhi party. But I think now it is very clear that Aam Aadmi Party is being welcomed by people all over the country. The fact that we have had a resounding victory in Chandigarh, where we were contesting municipal polls for the first time, goes to show that people are looking for change. And I think, as the Chief Minister himself has said, this is a precursor to the upcoming Punjab elections, where again, we are going to see a resounding victory for Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, I want to ask you, Vijay Goyal ji, Gaurav Goyal ji. Gaurav Goyal ji, losing to a party which is making its debut must be hurting the BJP tremendously in Chandigarh, given the fact, as Atishi has pointed out, that Chandigarh is the seat of both the Haryana and the Punjab as a capital, and Haryana is BJP run. Chandigarh, your own mayor has been defeated by an Aam Aadmi Party candidate, and clearly your act in Punjab has been thrown open for these elections, because your old alliance partner Shiromani Akali Dal, 1 seat out of 35 out of the way, but you're looking desperately for new alliance partners with Captain Amrinder Singh, with Mr. Dhindsa. Do you think it's already too late for you to begin a patchwork that will work in terms of both chemistry and arithmetic in the forthcoming elections in Punjab?
See, we don't believe in the patchwork because it is the Congress Chief Minister, Mr. Channi, who believes in the patchwork. So we don't believe in the patchwork. But yes, you are right. Our expectations were quite high that we will win the municipal corporation elections, which we are not able to win. Our expectations were quite high. But I would like to point out that it was not the Aam Aadmi Party in Chandigarh who was contesting an election. It was the Delhi government who was contesting elections. A lot of money was spent by the Delhi government on the Chandigarh elections. Yes, they succeeded in that. And we made no fake promises. We made no free buys, which the Aam Aadmi Party did. And I would like to point out that we lost 4 seats from a very close margin. That was 9 votes, 12 votes, 76 votes and 315 votes. And apart from that, the BJP, we won 12 seats and we were second runner-up on 16 seats. On the contrary, the Aam Aadmi Party won 13 seats. Yes, they won 13 seats.
But Mr.
And they
Gaurav
were
Goyal,
second
Mr. Gaurav
stakeholders on the
Goyal,
5 seats.
I hate to say this to anybody who loses, whether it's a 100 meters race in a school competition, or
I agree on that,
in
yes.
elections
I agree
like
that
these. But the BJP saying that इन्होंने ज्यादा पैसा खर्चा किया, दुनिया में कोई आपको बिलीव नहीं करेगा.
Of course they did that. There is no doubt about it.
पर आपके पास पैसों की कमी है क्या? नहीं, बीजेपी के पास पैसों की कमी है क्या? Look at the tally of the BJP and the funds that it has. It is the party that gets the maximum number of electoral bonds. So money is
we
not.
are the ideological party. We believe in the ideology. We fight elections through an ideology. But they don't fight elections on the ideology.
And
it was the Delhi government who was fighting elections.
You make Gaurav.
Every time they make a fake promises that we will give a free of water, we will give you free of electricity. We know what they have done to the Delhi. Now the people will also realize in Chandigarh that what they have done.
So are you saying
But
people
yes,
are
we want-
stupid?
and I
Are
must
you
tell
saying people
they may
in
have won
Chandigarh
13
are not
seats.
smart, they are dumb, they are falling for these fake promises, and news from Delhi
Of
does
course,
not travel to
when the stakes are
Chandigarh?
not there, when the stakes are not there, then any person is free to make any sort of free promises which they made.
और दिल्ली की खबर चंडीगढ़ तक जाती नहीं है, उनको पता ही नहीं है दिल्ली की असलियत क्या है। आपको पता है 3 घंटे लगते हैं राजधानी में यहां से चंडीगढ़ जाने में, और यहां की खबर नहीं जा रही है चंडीगढ़।
See, let the elections come off now. The mayor will be elected, the senior deputy mayor will be elected, and the deputy mayor will be elected. I am sure that we always talk about the development of the Chandigarh, and because of the development, we will be able to make the mayor also. We don't believe in the horse trading. They will do horse trading. They are open to do anything. They can do anything. We don't believe in that. But still, I feel that on the development issue,
I'll
we
take
will
that
come back.
question to Atishi, but first I want to get in Kapil Madan. Kapil Madan, कांग्रेस का खेल है क्या पंजाब में?
It's a B team of Congress.
Basically, this is now Aam Aadmi Party versus the BJP. The way it was in Chandigarh, at least. Do you think that's what's going to happen in the rest of Punjab? Because despite Navjot Singh Sidhu, despite Mr. Channi, कांग्रेस की पॉपुलैरिटी पे तो बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क है।
पहले we need to see, if you see the total vote casted in favor of INC, that was 29.80%. That is the highest. That is point number one.
No, that was not the
Second-
highest. That was the BJP who was the highest.
29.30 is BJP.
Approximately 30%. BJP is the highest.
अरे गौरव जी, मेरे को अपनी बात खत्म करनी दीजिए। आप
बात
फिर
तो ठीक
रीबट
करिए
कर
ना, बात
लीजिएगा
गलत
और
मत
आप
करिए। 30% is the
अरे
BJP.
मैं आपको facts दे दूंगा,
29.8
नाविका जी, I'll give you the facts. आप फैक्ट चेक कर लीजिएगा
ये
what I'm saying, और
you are
आप-
a party of it.
0.05% 0.05% की जो लड़ाई है वो छोड़ दीजिए, क्योंकि वो सेकंड और थर्ड पोजीशन की लड़ाई है। एंड
You are
कंसोलेशन प्राइज से
It is not a-
प्राइज से आज तक इलेक्शन तो कोई नहीं जीता।
Hey, that is all right. Then allow me to, make my second point, Navika ji. Now, if you see our previous performance, our in terms of seat share, we were at 15% when we got 4 seats out of 20. Now here, when we had elections on 35 seats, we've got 8 seats. So our performance has risen from 15% to 23%
Fantastic,
in terms of
fantastic.
seats.
So,
In terms of
you
seat
have a
share,
moral victory as every
not a
time
moral
the
victory.
Congress
No,
has a moral victory. The real
It's
victory
not a
goes
moral-
to the
no,
Aam
no.
Aadmi Party. Atishi,
No, it's not a-
closing comments. You've heard the other two parties and their comments. Closing comments from you, Atishi.
I think two things, Navika. First of all, it's very clear that the people don't want BJP. Neither did the people of Chandigarh want BJP. Neither did.
You're absolutely wrong. You made fake promises. As you made fake promises
Yes.
in Delhi, and you will keep on making the fake
Gaurav ji,
promises.
allow
We know
the
what
lady
type
to
of
speak.
government you are giving
Gaurav
there.
ji, allow the lady to speak. I'm having problem with the connection. Allow her to speak, please. Yes.
Gaurav ji, people of Chandigarh has rejected hate and divisive politics. That's what I want to say at this point in time.
You don't believe we will see.
Okay, mute the two. Atishi's concluding remark, please.
BJP has lost 43% vote share, so it's very clear that people of Chandigarh, and so goes for the people of Punjab, did not want BJP's politics. However, Chandigarh's election has shown that in the mind of the people, Congress is not an alternative. When they decided that they were going to vote against the BJP, they did not vote for the Congress. The party which is currently in power in Punjab, of which Chandigarh is also the seat of power, they have chosen Aam Aadmi Party as the alternative to the BJP. And I think that is what is showing the way to the Punjab election, that the people want to change and they think Aam Aadmi Party is the
Well,
alternative.
ladies and gentlemen, yes, Chandigarh is the capital of both Haryana and Punjab. Punjab ruled by the Congress party. The chief minister sits in Chandigarh. Haryana ruled by the BJP. The chief minister sits in Chandigarh. Yet, the Aam Aadmi Party wins the municipal elections of Chandigarh. Is this going to be the precursor to the elections in the state? We don't know. But yes, the elections in Punjab just got very, very, very interesting. And we'll be following every development in that election from here on. Thank you very much to all the three participants on this debate. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me on the News Hour tonight. I'll see you tomorrow.